Magandang gabi! Tonight on this video, let's learn another 5 Tagalog homograph words, and our first one is Gabi. Gabi. Gabi means evening or night. But if you pronounce the word as Gabi, Gabi, what you mean is the taro plant. Gabi, evening or night, and Gabi. Gabi, Gabi. Our next Tagalog homograph word ay galing. Galing. Galing means good or being good at something, and or skillful. Galing. Galing. Look, I made a boat. Wow! Ang galing! If you pronounce the word as galing, galing, it means from. Example, where did you go? Where did you go? And you can just answer sa store or sa clinic, sa ospital, or you can say, galing ako sa clinic, galing ako sa ospital, galing ako sa kusina, galing ako sa park. Look, I have 2 pens, a blue one and a yellow one. Wow, you have 2. Saan to galing? Galing to sa best friend ko. She gave it to me. Galing, 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 galing. Our third one is gamit. 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 Gamit means things, items, or the use. Look, I have crayons. Wow! Anong gamit nito? Ang gamit nito ay pangkulay. If you pronounce the word gamit, 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 it means used. Past tense, used. Gamit na, already used. Eto, crayons para sa'yo. Wow! Salamat! Gamit na to ah. Oo, gamit na yan. Pero pwede pa. I went to the store yesterday. Nagpunta ako sa tindahan kahapon. I bought things or items for the bedroom. Bumili ako ng mga gamit para sa kwarto. I went to the store yesterday. Nagpunta ako sa tindahan kahapon. I bought things or items for the kitchen. Bumili ako ng mga gamit para sa kusina. Gamit, gamit. Gamit, gamit. Our fourth one ay handa. 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 Same pronunciation. It can either mean prepare or prepared, and it can also mean food or dish. Are you ready? Handa ka na? Ready ka na? Handa ka na? Are you ready for the test? Ready ka na para sa test? Handa ka na para sa test? We have a test tomorrow. May test tayo bukas. Are you already prepared? Handa ka na ba? And handa can also mean dish or food. Example, if you are invited to, let's say, a birthday party and you want to say, what foods are you going to prepare? You can ask, anong handa? Anong handa? Invited ka. Birthday ko sa linggo. Punta ka sa bahay. Talaga? Wow! Happy birthday! Thank you! Anong handa? Maghahanda ako ng spaghetti, pansit, and syempre, merong kanin, adobo, sinigang, lechon, at iba pa. And for our fifth Tagalog Homograph word, we have hapon. Hapon. Hapon means afternoon. Hapon. But if you pronounce the word hapon, hapon, hapon means Japanese. Hapon, afternoon, hapon, Japanese. Example ng hapon or afternoon. Hapon na nang makauwi ako sa bahay. It's already afternoon when I got home. Hapon na. It's already afternoon. At example ng hapon or Japanese, hapon ang kaibigan ko. My friend is a Japanese. Hooray! Tapos na ang ating Tagalog Homograph words. Ayan lang para ngayong gabi. That's all for tonight. Happy weekend! Good night! Bye!